We're in the park and we're trying to find wood to start a fire. No, but this is what we're gonna do. So now we're looking for dry leaves and twigs and dry wood. So these are the ones I have. And some dry, probably the dry grass as well. That will catch fast. Brianna, look at this cute. You got a whole like. Okay, so we're gonna show you when we get the fire. We're trying to get the fire going. Is your lock on? Yeah. Does it stink? That was probably the fastest
You're done.
time ever.
Getting better.
Yeah, that's amazing this time. We were watching the planes near where we are, and we're just the planes that we saw. All the planes that we saw were Air Canada planes, and I know that Air Canada, based on what I've been hearing, has a really bad reputation, and I don't know why. I'm curious to know why, and I think this what we're gonna do. We kind of brought up a pretty cool video idea, so keep posted because I think I'm gonna try something. Based on that concept, so that'll be our next video. Oh, okay, there's a bird right here. I'm gonna catch it. Hold on. How close this bird is. Honestly, I feel like I'm in a Disney movie. These birds and animals just come right up to us, and the video doesn't even show how close they really are. Like, I mean, right up to my feet. Here's my feet, and there is the birds. Like, it's crazy. I met this really nice man today. So nice. It's actually been a nice day overall. Brianna's still feeding the birds. So cute. Oh my gosh. You have to take time. I guess everyone wants to take time to trust whoever. Got what we want. After that experience, I think we can sign off now for the day. Dear Daughter Diaries, until next time, have a blessed day.